Today, we're going to be looking at the Grassblade add-on for Blender, which is designed to provide high-quality plant, grass and foliage models for your 3D scenes. We'll be examining the good and bad points of Blender to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Let's start with the good points. One of the best things about Grassblade is the level of detail and the realism that comes with the plant, grass and foliage models. The assets provided are of superb quality, making it easy to create lush and vibrant environments for your scenes. Additionally, the variety of the models available is impressive, ranging from lawn to dry grass and rocks to pebbles, making it easy to find the perfect assets for any environment you're trying to create. Another great feature of Grassblade is the weight painting tool. It allows for powerful and easy customization of where the assets are placed, giving you more control over the look and feel of your scene. The weight painting tool is very powerful, yet easy to use, and it can help you create scenes that look like they were created by a professional. If you're worried about the lag when designing your scene, don't be. Grassblade offers an option for asset proxies, which can help reduce viewport lag. This is especially useful when working with large scenes that contain a lot of vegetation or other assets that require a lot of processing power. Unfortunately, Grassblade is very resource intensive, meaning that you'll need a powerful computer to use it effectively. This can be a deal breaker for some users, especially those who don't have access to a high-end computer. Additionally, it's quite expensive, so it's aimed at more professional users. However, if you're willing to invest in it, it can really help take your Blender renders to the next level without too much work. It's worth noting that while Grassblade is expensive, it's worth every penny if you're a professional user who needs to create high-quality vegetation in your scenes. The toolset offered by Grassblade is unparalleled, and the quality of the assets is exceptional. If you're a hobbyist or a beginner, Grassblade may not be the best fit for you, but if you're a professional user who needs the best tools available to create realistic environments in your scenes, it's definitely worth considering. In summary, Grassblade is a great add-on for those looking to create high-quality, realistic vegetation in their 3D scenes. Just keep in mind that it is resource intensive and somewhat on the pricey side for the premium version, so it may not be the best fit for everyone. But if you do want to try Grassblade, there's an affiliate link in the description. Any purchases made via this link will help support this channel. Thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.